Hey guys, this is Earl with Lone Star Reptiles. We're going to show some available animals today, and we're going to show a few of our holdbacks that we're pretty excited to be holding back. Before we get started with that, we want to do a big shout out to US Ark. Guys, go donate to US Ark, become a member. They fight for our rights, you know, to keep our animals. And man, if you stop and look at what's going on around the world right now, I mean, they're trying to take our rights away all over the place. So please go donate or become a member to US Ark. Also, we want to do a shout out to Venom Life and Get Hooked. You can go to venomlifegear.com, check out their products. When you get ready to, you know, do your purchase, when you get to the promo code, hit LSR, all capital letters, you get 10% off your entire purchase. And you go check out sensorpush.com. You can buy the sensors and gateways directly from SensorPush, or you can go on Amazon and purchase them. They're the same price either way, so it really doesn't matter. All right, guys, so we're going to show a few animals that we have available. These are, unfortunately, these are just normals, but these are double het clown G-stripe, and unfortunately, they're all males. So if somebody has a female out there, we've got some males. This is another normal. It's double het G-stripe clown. And then we have one pastel double het G-stripe clown. So again, 100% double hets. Right, we have, this is a nice animal here. I love Mojave clowns. This is a male Mojave clown. It's a beautiful animal. Really nice clown to get into somebody's collection. And we have an inchy Mojave pastel clown. That's a good looking animal. Now, all these animals are on our website. You can go look at them. But inchy Mojave pastel clown. We have a yellow belly 100% het clown male. Nice belly on this thing. Alright. This one actually just sold today, but this is a mahogany het clown female. But this one just sold today. But we do have some more. It's another mahogany het clown female. And guys, if you haven't seen mahogany clown stuff, mahogany is great in clown. And here's another mahogany het clown female. I really like what mahogany does in clown. And this is a lesser female 100% het pied. If anybody wants to make some red-eyed white snakes. And we have a, what is this, a male. Really, dude? Come on, quit biting me. You got me 4 times there. You know he's ready to eat. So this is a pastel het clown male. It's fired up and ready to eat all the time. He's still biting me. Pastel het clown male. Get me one more time. You tried. Here is a yellow belly clown. Nice yellow belly on this thing. Really nice animal. It's a male. Unfortunately, we don't have any female clowns left. They went pretty fast. Alright, so this one has some smaller looking eyes. This is a lesser champagne pied. So it's a solid white snake with ruby red eyes. And unfortunately, a lot of times the lesser and pied, you end up with these little beady eyes. But this is a lesser champagne pied. And then we have the last one of our available animals here in this video is going to be a lesser pastel champagne pied. Under a black light, it's got some really, really cool pattern. Not really visible to the naked eye, but you put them under a black light and they're really cool. But to have a solid white snake with ruby red eyes, they're really cool. Alright, now we're going to show a couple animals that we're holding back. And I guess let's go with the Mahogany Clown stuff right away. So this is a Mahogany Yellow Belly Clown. This thing's really putting on some size fast. So the yellow belly brings in a lot of bright yellows on this thing. The Mahogany Clowns are usually not that bright on the bottom, and then you get all the pixelation. You can see this thing's pretty fat right now. But really nice animal. We'll be putting him to some good use here pretty soon. This is one I'm really excited about. Where are you at? So this is a banana Mahogany Clown. This thing is just incredible. Look at how bright those oranges are. I hope they're showing up on the camera. This thing is incredible. Oh, we got our first little black spot coming in. Now, there's another one. It's the first time I've seen the black coming in on this thing. Here is a chocolate inchy clown. I'll get a little stuck shed on there. A little bit of stuck shed. Chocolate inchy clown. Really cool. And this is a het that I held back. But this is a pastel mahogany yellow belly het clown. And that thing is pretty cool. I missed on getting everything, so I held this one back. It's a male, so we'll throw it into a clown right away and try to get there. Let's see. If you guys haven't seen the Orange Crush, you can go look at some of the Orange Crush on Mike Wilbanks' website. But so this is the Orange Crush Yellow Belly Pinstripe, and this thing, the yellow belly really accents the orange as well. We can hardly wait to get this into a few things. Orange Crush is a recessive gene, so it'll be a little while, but we'll be getting some really cool animals soon. Here's another cool holdback. So this is a LSR Fire Banana Sugar. This thing just, look at all that white in that thing. Oh yeah, it just keeps getting whiter and whiter. And now we're getting some black freckles in the white. That's crazy. This is going to be a really cool looking snake when it gets older. And it's a female, so. And we'll do these. I got a couple more here we're going to do. These are LSR Fire stuff. So this is a LSR Firefly Spot Nose. What an incredible animal. Hopefully this little guy gets up to size by mid-season and we can put him to use. And this is the LSR Firefly Spot Nose Pinstripe. This thing is crazy. All right, we're going to do one more of our holdbacks. We're going to do, let's do this little guy, or little girl. This will be the last one. This is a LSR Firefly Scaleless. And this little girl turned out just incredible. So just for comparison, we're going to grab a regular LSR Firefly, a regular Firefly, up against the LSR Firefly. And in the scaleless, you can still see how much cleaner the LSR fire is than the regular fire. And then look at the head, how much brighter the head is. Just incredible. So regular Firefly, LSR Firefly, in scaleless. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Please go check out our website at LoneStarReptiles.com. You can also check us out at Lone Star Reptiles on Instagram. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can get all of our videos as we release them. If you have any questions on any of the animals you've seen that are available, please give us a call at 817-213-7575. Hope everybody's having a great season. Until next time, thanks.